Okay, what I want to know is why the motherfucking cops in every motherfucking place that I motherfucking go in this motherfucking town. I think them motherfuckers follow me and shit. I think I might get a little paranoid and shit. You know what I'm saying? I think I might be getting a little paranoid. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? You know? I found some boots though. Yeah. I'm cruising. Party never stops in Nashville, baby. You know what I'm saying? No, I am. Do you know what I'm saying? It never stops in Nashville. I'm going back to the hood. This shit is keeping me humble. Very humble. I think I deserve top of the sixes. Bullshit. I deserve nothing. You don't get what you deserve. You get what you get. In this life, children, mind you. Mind you. Sometimes what you get is actually pretty motherfucking cool. Tonight I met a beautiful girl. Her name was Linda and she was from Long Island. And I posted a picture of her up on my Instagram. And I was just sitting there feeling bad about myself because I saw these little white motherfucking boys sitting on stage at this club, right? And they're playing all these...
Okay.
Dude, I went to every club, dude.
Wow.
Yeah, man, everyone. I also found all the bass players that I want to replace me. And I found them playing in adjacent bars, dude. That's the truth.
Wow.
Yeah, man, that's the truth. So when I'm dead, it's going to be cool. It's going to be cool, you know? So anyway, if you want to contact the world's greatest driver, you call my man right here. You tell him who you are.
Derek with Luxury Cab on Demand, Nashville, Tennessee. So anywhere in Nashville, Tennessee, anybody want to go, I'll be the guy to call. We're going to rock to good music. We're going to have a good sociable time. We can talk about politics. I'm a Trump guy, so we can talk about Trump, okay? I love Donald Trump. Many people might not think a lot of African Americans don't like Donald Trump. But like I said before, verbatim in the previous video, I'm an Oreo cookie. I love Trump. Let's secure our borders. Also, let's get rid of welfare so fat, lazy black women will be on welfare, okay? And love United States of America. The greatest country in the world. Verbatim, let me say that one more time. The greatest country in the world, the USA.
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Because I'm the shadowy figure wearing black. And I gotta tell you, I'm not a huge Trump fan because a lot of my friends are from the GLBT community. And, you know, Trump so far hasn't come out as big supporters of them, but for everything else. Yeah, but you know what? Trump, he does support the GLBT community, man. He does support them people. Because you know what? This is the only country in the entire freaking world where a little poor white boy can grow up to become a rich white woman. You know what I'm saying, brother? You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. Anyway, so look, I'm back here at my Hovel hotel. And I'm going to take a selfie of me and my driver. I'm going to post that on Instagram right after this. But anyway, I'm going to bed. I'm going motherfucking bed. I am hitting the rack. I'm hitting the rack so motherfucking hard. And I got to tell everybody out there in YouTube land in real time, this guy, keep going one little bit more. Yeah, right. Yeah. He got me home. Maybe if I do, I'm going to definitely call you though, okay, bud?
Okay, right here.
Yeah, that's fine. And you already got paid, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to come over and take one selfie. Anyway,
you're going to take a selfie?
Over and out.
Over and out. We're taking a selfie, yeah. Over and out.
Well, I'm going to get her actually photographed, but this is for the video. Anyway, throw them thumbs up or the horns or whatever. You know what? And hey, let's make America great again.
Exactly. Let's make America great again.
That's right.
The best country in the world.
That's right.
Believe it.
That's right. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Me and him are like the new diamond and silk. Anyway,
exactly.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
I'll see you later.
So we'll see you later.
I'm gonna get a selfie now. All right, bye.